Alright, hey guys, welcome to the Collie Park YouTube channel. I'm Aaron, and today I'm just going to show you a quick and easy meal that you can cook out in Glamis, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off I want to show you guys the ingredients I got here. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we're making chicken fajita tacos. Maybe I didn't put it in the title, but now I'm telling you, we're making some chicken fajita tacos, and there goes the paper. So yeah, we got the tortillas, we got some diced onions here, red onions, and we got cheese, and we have cilantro inside the house that we're gonna cut up in a little bit. So yeah, let's get the griddle fired up and we'll get it heated up. So just another thing I want to mention too is that we are cooking on this Blackstone Griddle here. It's the 36-inch. It's got 4 burners. A lot of people out in Glamis use these griddles because they're so easy to cook on and you use less dishes afterwards when you're done cooking. You don't need to clean a bunch of pots and pans. You just kind of scrape it, wipe it down, throw some water on it, let the steam lift up the excess food. And yeah, that's what we're using today. So I would recommend you guys get one of these for Glamis. They have a smaller size too, so you might want to check that out. Okay, so once you start to see a little bit of smoke coming off the griddle there, that's when it's time to throw the meat on. So first, put some oil down, just a little bit there. Let's give it a little spread with the spatula here. So once the oil's on there, we're good to throw the meat on. So we're gonna throw the pre-made chicken fajita mix we got from the grocery store, and we're just gonna toss it on there. So let me get this on there. Kind of filming with 2 hands here, so forgive me, the angles. Here we go. The third burner on low, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. We don't really need it anymore. I just want to get the griddle hot quicker. And then I'm gonna turn these burners down too a little bit, down to low. And while this is cooking, I'm gonna go inside and chop the cilantro. And then what I do to check if the chicken's getting done or not, I usually find the biggest piece, so probably this piece right here, I guess. I cut into it down the middle, and I check the middle inside. This one looks like, let's see, it looks like it's done. So I think this chicken's almost done, so I'm gonna start getting the tortillas ready. Okay, so I actually forgot a step. I'm gonna actually take this chicken here and put it on this here cutting board and dice it up so it's in smaller bites. But you don't have to do that if you want. You can actually keep it this size if you want, so it's easier, but I got the time and the space, so I'm gonna chop it up. Alright, so we got the fajita chicken cut up into smaller pieces, and now we're gonna get the tortillas ready. But first, I usually take and do, put a little oil down first, light little drizzle of some oil for the tortillas. And take them, 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're doing 6 tacos today, folks, okay? So next thing we did is we added some cheese, some shredded cheese to the tortillas. We're gonna let the cheese melt a little bit, then we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. So yeah, check it out, man. Cheese looks like it's melted to me, so I'm gonna start adding some ingredients here. So like this, put it on there like that. Down. Some chicken. This in here. Like so. Add into each taco. Yeah, we're gonna have some leftover meat here for sure, but that's okay. We'll heat up later for leftovers. Okay, so I got the ingredients onto the tortillas, as you can see. Looking pretty good. So next thing we're gonna do is actually fold them over. This is how your taco should look. Fold them over like that. Now, if you wanted to, you could load up this entire thing full of tacos if you wanted to. You got plenty of space on this griddle. on the 36 inch, you can literally load this entire thing up full of tacos and feed your whole camp. So yeah. Next, let's get these things inside and plate them up. Okay guys, here is our tacos. Our fajita chicken tacos with onions and cilantro in them and cheese. See, they look pretty good. We got 6 of them in here, but you don't need to make that many, and you can always make more if you want. But and if you want, you can get these little trays here on Amazon, and it'll really impress your camp. They'll say, wow, where'd you get those things at? So yeah, just want to show you guys this quick recipe, quick cook to do in Glamis. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.